I'm finishing up on this monster radiator over there. And two of the additions that I'm adding to all our heat exchangers, radiators, whatever you want to call them, are a chemical glycol resistance melted powder coating, which is super uber critical, as well as a automatic air bleeder. And the air bleeder is something you would find in hydronic systems, say in apartment buildings for their water heaters and all that. But the reason they have them in these apartment buildings is you don't want any kind of exposure of air in the system. And this radiator tank, it was such a good example of why that is. I couldn't resist. I had to make a video. But the theory is when the manufacturers send these things out as well, they're going to be maintained and there won't be any air in the system. But air gets in. Air is dissolved in water and antifreeze. And under specific low pressure scenarios, it comes out of dissolved liquid and it forms, as well as there could be leaks in this system. And once air forms, the exposure to the metal causes rust. And I was pulling these fittings out, and you look inside of there, and they're just caked with rot and rust. And this is all from just having air pockets in there. And this tank has been thoroughly flushed. It was a big waterfall of orange water for a while before we got it all cleaned out. But these fittings weren't touched, and I'm just seeing this now. And this is why it's important to have these hydronic air bleeders with fiber discs that when they hit air and they dry up, they open up and they let the air bleed out. Okay, thank you.